Hello everyone, here's a Ryobi 29cc 4-cycle engine I got in a trade off RC Universe. Only thing I did to it was I made a prop adapter for it and a backplate motor mount, cleaned the carburetor on it. It runs real well, hand cranks real easy. It's an 18.6 Zinger propeller. 18.6 wood Zinger propeller. It's for sale. Thing will idle forever. It's really quiet. In good shape. Oh, that's 93 octane gas. That's my regular 2-stroke mix. That's why it's smoking a little bit. Got 2 ounces of Amsoil on it. Make somebody a great fire plant for a big floater. Big old wheel. Choke it and hand starts real easy. I did cut the flywheel down on it. Made the prop adapter and knurled it. I made an aluminum backplate mount for it. Trimmed the carburetor manifold. It had a bunch of excess plastic on it. Start this thing up in the morning and walk away for half the day and come back out here then and it'll start on the first flip. Very quiet engine, really good shape. For sale. Ryobi 29cc 4-stroke. It's available for purchase. Thank you for watching.